Welcome to the garden. Today I've harvested the first cucumber of the season. So I'm going to show you how I like to make my classic cucumber sandwich. Wow, that's a beauty. That is a beauty. When harvesting chives later in the season, after they've already flowered, I like to look down low for this new grassy growth. These are going to be tender and really tasty. I have so many dill seeds that I just plant them all over the garden. So I'm just going to harvest a few leaves here and there. I want to leave these flowers because they're just about to bloom, but we can still harvest some of the leaves lower down. I like lots of dill and lots of chives, so I got about a handful of each. And the rest of our ingredients are just our cucumber, some Swiss cheese, bread, and mayonnaise. I'm taking all my chives and my dill. I like to just wrap them up so we end up with a tight bundle only about 2 or 3 inches long. This is going to make it really easy to cut down with our scissors. Doesn't that look beautiful? Then I'm going to do Swiss cheese on one side and our cucumber on the other, just whole. No, I'm just kidding. No, of course we're gonna slice it up. But you can go whatever thickness you like. I shoot for something about this size. Not too thin, not too thick. And you can really customize your cucumber sandwich however you like. Adding chicken is a great idea. A little fresh cracked black pepper is great. You can also cut these down into squares. And then that's a really nice fancy piece. So let's try one side here with the squares. The cucumber might have been a little too ripe. So you see they fit really nicely. So this makes for a more refined cucumber sandwich. But personally, I just like to layer them on like this. The heart of the sandwich is really that cucumber. And I like to cut at a diagonal angle, corner to corner, just like that. You can cut away the crust if you want to be really fancy, and then shape them down into little bite-sized triangles if you like. Now, of course, we've got to dig in. That is a beautiful sandwich right there. Oh man. Wow. I haven't had one of these since last year. This is so good. So that's my take on the classic cucumber sandwich. If you think this looks delicious, I really hope you give it a go in your garden. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.